Man, doesn't this bridge look familiar, huh? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. Today, well, as long as there's not a million people there, today we're gonna ride some Indians. There's one I really want to ride. It's the 101 Scout, and I want to ride. I'm kind of debating. Is it the Chieftain, the new one with the upside down? Well, the Chieftain, oh, did you look at that? It's essentially this bike with that fairing. So I'm kind of like up in the air about that one, and I think there's another bike I want to ride, but should be fun. And if it's too crowded, because I'm not a crowd person. I don't go to big events and stuff. It's not for me. It's not. But I will bring you back as we get closer. And hopefully I get to ride one or two. Alright, so we're off. Initial impressions, the Indian Scout 101. Good. Well, it's got some pickup, that's for damn sure. I'm a little far forward, hunched forward, I should say, that I'm used to. The seat is good for a short seat, man. It's a little on the stiff side, though. The boys are on the tank. Not bad, man. I still prefer floorboards. I tell you, if I was buying this bike, first thing to go would be the pegs. But this one does have forwards on it. I kind of, and I'm not a mid person, but I kind of feel like this bike should have came with mids. It's because of how sporty. Holy crap, I am flat foot. I need some space, man. Gotta let it rip, dog. Wow. Oh my god, this bike rips. It's kind of like instant friggin' power, if that makes any sense. A bunch of bikes out. You don't have to downshift for power. Wow, that's wild. Digging this tack, man. They're pretty cool. They're like, yeah, take it out. You got 15 minutes. Come back. I was like, oh, sweet. Wow. Wow. I'm seriously impressed with this engine, man. Of course, it's windy as hell today. Jeez, man, this thing must be some sort of carver, man. Holy crap. Go down the road a little more and turn around. I gotta tell you, man. Pleasantly surprised by this bike, man. And remember, this is just initial impression. I'm not reviewing it. I mean, I'm 15 minutes. Wow. Wow, man, this thing boogies. That was a nice surprise. If it was me, man, I'd definitely do a riser. Excuse me, fellas. Not used to the turning radius on this bad boy. Wow. The suspension is on the firmer side. I'm sure you can adjust that. I don't know how, and I'm not about to start messing with a bike I'm riding to get some impressions on. But initial impression, man, this thing is a friggin' rocket. Holy crap. I had to look up how to start the damn thing up. I'm like pushing the button. I'm like, come on, turn on like my Challenger. What are you doing? I don't want to say this would compete with the... I guess it does, the Lowrider S. The forwards on this are more comfortable than the mids on the Lowrider S, but the seating position on the Lowrider S, to me, and I had a ST, it's a little more friendlier. Obviously, you can fix the hunch forward with a riser and stuff, and you know, you could fix the peg issue with floorboards. They said the seat is on the firmer side. I don't know if it's the stock seat or not. You do want firm for longer trips. If you got a demo day coming up, man, go ride this bike, the Scout 101. Man, it's a friggin' move. It's friggin' really nice too, man. Looks wise. I'm shocked. I literally did not expect it to be this peppy. I gave it a thumbs up, man, for initial impression. I'm not sure I'd want to take this on a long trip, though, if I'm being honest with you. Unless I adjusted the riding position and the seat. Oh yeah, Indian trailer. Let's turn it around, baby. Wow, that was a lot of fun.